AI is no longer just for pilot projects, startups use it to boost growth from the get-go. They're using machine learning, data smarts, and automation to get insights quicker, make better calls, and run things smoother. Let's dive into what makes an AI startup tick, how they're different, and what you need to know. AI startups are all about turning raw data into insights and automating decisions right from the start. They're built around an AI factory, turning customer interactions into data gold, predicting trends, and personalizing experiences. But AI startups need real-time data pipelines and a team of data whizzes. You'll need serious tech like GPUs, Python tools, and frameworks like TensorFlow. Build a balanced team with tech skills and business sense, and don't forget strategic partnerships. AI offers ways to scale efficiently, like using machine learning for customer insights, automating operations, and speeding up product development. Take Gong, for example. They built a platform that analyzes sales calls and emails, growing fast by giving sales teams the inside scoop. Upstart uses machine learning to assess loan risk, helping more people get credit with lower default rates. Remember to handle data carefully under rules like GDPR and CCPA, and be ethical in how you use AI. Watch out for new AI trends like federated learning and generative AI agents. AI helps startups get insights faster, make smarter decisions, and run leaner. The future's for those who use AI wisely and responsibly to go from startup to scale up.